Hey guys, it's Marley with Adrada Deep Powder. So I did my nails like 3 days ago and I got a lot of requests about my little marble nail. Everybody's asking me, oh my gosh, how did you do that? So super easy. That was actually the very first time that I tried a marble effect and I think it turned out pretty cute. You know, for not being a nail tech, I'm actually pretty happy with it. So I am going to show you how I did it. So I already have my swatch. I used Milky White and you can find that on my website. I did 3 layers of Milky White and this is gonna be like a hybrid nail, you know, manicure thing. I use regular dip liquids to do the Milky White, and then what I'm gonna do now, or what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a little tiny brush, and this one, it's like, I don't know if you can see, let me see, like super tiny. You need to do like a lot of detail. Okay, so you're gonna need that, and you're going to need some Sharpies. That's it. Super easy. And of course your UV lamp or LED lamp and your gel. So okay, let's do this. I am going to apply gel. Okay. Let's see here, and don't forget to cap the free edge. Okay, and then we are going to cure that for 60 seconds. It should be level right now, I think. Okay, let's cure that. Okay, so after that is cured, what I did was I used this little buffer block and I kind of went over just a little bit, just to get rid of a little bit of the shine without getting rid of that layer of gel. So what you're gonna need next, it is your Sharpies. This is a Sharpie, this is not, but it is a permanent marker. I cannot remember where I bought this one, but it has to be permanent marker. You're gonna need some alcohol. You are going to need a little tiny brush. So this one, it is like super tiny. Okay, I didn't want my nail to be like really marbly, so I just did a few lines with my Sharpie. Ooh, that was hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna do some random lines there. So let's just go like that, and maybe like that. And then I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna get my little brush in the alcohol and I'm gonna put it on top. It's not working for me, you guys. Like, it worked here. I don't know why. No, what's happening? I don't know. Let's just do the other lines, see what happens. That's weird. Very weird. I'm gonna do a little line there, one here, and maybe one there. That way, it's just doesn't have to be. All right, let's see what happens here. Maybe I need better alcohol. I don't know. I can't remember. Maybe this one is not like 91%. Maybe it's like 70%. It's possible. Let me try this one. Let's see. Oh yes, I think it was the alcohol. Sure. Yep. Okay, so I just used the wrong alcohol. I think this one is like 70%. This one is 91%. So that's what you need to use. Oh, you know what? And make sure that you don't get too close to your cuticles, because then you're gonna end up with ink, you know, around your cuticles, and you don't want to do that. I like that. I like that. I think that looks cute. If you don't like it, then like wipe it off with alcohol and do it again. That's the cool thing about doing marble and using gel, because if you don't like it, you just get rid of it. Wipe it off and try again until you like it. Okay, so after that, I am going to apply more gel, and we are going to cure that for 60 seconds. Make sure you cap your free edge. Okay, so let's leave it. I think that looks good. Okay, so let's cure that. Okay, so that is ready. I think that looks really cute. So there you go. This is how I did mine, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. And yep, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.